lovely to meet you.
Lovely to meet you, Adrian.
This is amazing. That entrance is incredible. I love it. Tell me about the inspiration that you took and how it all came together.
Basically, the whole narrative of this house is inspired by the Mediterranean. We have lived over in that side of the world, and when we were walking through, we noted that there were so many beautiful casas and they had these beautiful entrances. So we decided we would like to bring that to this project.
I love that. Let's take a look.
Come on in, Adrian.
Cool. This is amazing. I love how this opens up and I love the feel of it.
Again, I wanted to incorporate the stone in the kitchen area. The kitchen is the heart of the home, and I feel that type of energy is something that I wanted to instill in this house. That feeling you are in the Mediterranean, you are on holidays every day.
I really love the way the simplicity here isn't overlayered. You know, too often people add too much.
That was the idea and the concept of the house, was to have it authentic, rustic Mediterranean. Not too many layers, keeping it simple and really understanding the materials of the home to create that environment. This is a dream home for me because it has all the elements of what Mediterranean living is about. Family, gatherings, calmness, openness, the materials used, the energy, the feel, and the vibe. I wanted my family to feel a sense of serenity when they walked through those large gatehouse doors, leaving the world behind, creating a sense of peace and calm after a long day at school or at work.
Donna, this is certainly a really special space.
So I guess, Adrian, the inspiration for this room actually comes from France. We wanted to keep it very much minimalistic with some punches of colour, so you can probably see on the door here, and also with the chandelier. With the ensuite, again, it is covered in Italian Venetian plaster, and we've got that Turkish travertine featured throughout.
With the rest of the home, what else have we got?
So we do have one breakout room, and I call it the Moroccan room, and that was inspired by the Moroccan Kasbah. It's a place to go in, relax, but it brings a sense of peace and joy to the end of the workday.
Donna, this is absolutely stunning here.
Thank you, Adrian. This area and the pool area below, the inspiration for that was Santorini. Beautiful travertine, stone walls that you see. The whole swimming pool is covered in white microcement. And the blue colour you see in that pool is actually the reflection from the sky. So owning a home like this will create that everyday on holiday experience.
Donna, thank you so much for sharing your home with me. It's been an absolute pleasure.
Adrian, lovely to meet you.
Donna's done a really great job with the design of Casa del Sol. It takes you on a Mediterranean journey from France all the way to Morocco. It's really beautiful. The art is on the walls.